Upgrade your 1987 through 93 Fox Body Mustangs interior with the InVision digital dash. Let us take you through some of its cutting-edge features. The InVision is designed specifically to fit your Mustang. In addition, it is a robust injection molded dash which provides a sturdy base for installation. Our integrated joystick makes for simple customization and keeps fingerprints off the display, while also allowing you to personalize your display to what you like with our 4 selectable screens. The InVision digital dash awaits, ready to enhance your drive.